Hello, my name is Jeff Reed and I'm the East Region Brand Manager for Continental Motorcycle Tires. And because you asked, I thought we'd take a little bit of time today to talk about my personal favorite tire, the Conti TKC80. Now the TKC80 is a dual sport or adventure tire designed for bikes anywhere from an EXC type KTM to a big R1250 BMW GS. So what we've got is a tire that has a very thick carcass, which gives it adventure reliability, also gives you excellent puncture resistant, unique block tread design, and this is, I think, the key to the TKC80. This unique block design gives you excellent self-cleaning properties that you need for off-road performance, but because the blocks are differential sized, you get excellent rolling, smooth rolling, so it rolls smooth, runs very quiet. Normally, if you see a tire this aggressive, it would howl and whine. The TKC80 is very smooth, very quiet. So good street performance, excellent off-road performance, adventure reliability. That's the TKC80. The TKC80, like I said, is my favorite tire, and my personal bike, this Triumph Tiger 800 XC, that's my tire of choice. And then for real adventure riders like Simon and Lisa Thomas, who've been around the world for the past 16 years and I think 500,000 plus miles, TKC80 is their tire of choice for performance and reliability. So that's a look at the rear. Let's take a quick look at the front tire. So the front tire, this is a 19-inch front like would be on a typical adventure bike, but also a very sturdy block pattern with a unique shape, so the tire rolls relatively smooth, very quiet, excellent off-road, excellent street performance. That's what makes the TKC80 the real #1 tire of choice for serious adventure riding.